So as you can see, I'm out here at the park, and I've just been jumping the Xray over that little ridge thing there, and as you can see, it's got a little bit of dirt on it. It hasn't broken yet. We've just run a single 4S pack for it so far. Temperature wise, we're about 70 degrees. It was 75, 76 when I turned it off, and you can see the shrink tubing is starting to wear off on the wires there, and these are getting a little bit melty, so I might have to change that. ESC wise, the temperature for that is pretty cool as usual. Obviously I can't get to the heat sink exactly, but it doesn't seem to go above sort of 40 degrees, so that's alright because it's got a fan on. I'm going to put a new battery in. I've got another 4S pack here as well, so I'm going to try that and see if that works. See if I can video some jumps one-handed and hopefully not crash. Come on. Steering and all that happened was this rod here just popped off. It is a little bit loose, but I've just popped it back on again, and now steering again, perfectly fine.